Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Pet Treater. Now, if you're not familiar, Pet Treater is a pet subscription box or bag. So they have three different kinds. They have one that is $15, $18, and $25. So the $15 bag has 2 toys and 2 treats. The $18 bag, you have 2 choices. You can do either treats only or toys only. I have toys only for my bigger guys. And then the last one they have is the $25 box, which is for multiple pets in your home. You can set a profile based on whether it's a dog or a cat and the size. So that's good because I've got 2 really big dogs and they need really good toys. So far, I've been pretty happy. Every once in a while, I'll get a toy that I know is just going to last 5 seconds, which is disappointing because a toy that lasts 5 seconds typically is not a good quality toy. It's put together poorly, poor materials, and those tend to not last very long and is not worth the money to me. A toy that lasts for 5 seconds, I will buy on clearance and let them tear it apart and be done with it. But if I'm spending premium money for good toys, that's what I expect. All right, anyway, so let's go ahead and see what they sent me this month. Oh, right here is the card. Every month they have a pick of the litter program where you can take pictures of your pets. They do like it, you know, when you have the bandanas on and they're around the toys and the treats, that kind of thing. And this month is Walnut. He is the pick of the litter. Very nice. Handsome guy. So yeah, I've never done that. Okay, we have a rope toy. This is different though. It's kind of fuzzy on the inside, which they may like that better than just your average rope. We'll have to see. They tend to not play with rope things. Oh, this is interesting. This spins, and this is like a nylabone kind of plastic. Does it squeak? Oh no, this is actually pretty hard rubber. Okay. Yeah, I can see where they might like chewing on that. Okay. What else? And the last, oh! I don't have a bandana. They usually send a bandana every month, and I didn't get one, okay? But I do have a bow tie. Let's see if I can do this. I know it's for the dog, and it does have, you know, oh! Okay, wait, how does this go? Okay. Here we go. Okay, so the last thing we got, very fuzzy tail. Oh, it's a cat. It's a unicat. This is a Kelly toy. It does have squeakers in it. But this is the kind of thing I was talking about. I have a 75-pound dog out there. What do you think that dog is going to do to this in a matter of minutes? Tear it limb from limb. And they're going to have a lot of fun doing it. But I don't think that this is the kind of toy that should be in this bag, because I told them I have very large dogs. This isn't going to last but a couple of minutes, but they're going to have fun. And this is definitely not worth, I mean, this should be the extra, not this. This should be the extra. This one's okay, even though they probably won't like it. It's rubber. They tend to not like rubber toys, but this one should be the extra, not the bow tie. Ah, the bow tie instead of the bandana. I got you, pet treater. But this one isn't going to last. I mean, this is good for my medium-sized dogs. These guys back here. And you're right here, aren't you? Okay. There they are. There's one face right there. And there's another face right here. Right here. You want it? Come on. Whee! Oh, they're behind me now. And out he goes. I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.